Why do some people win arguments even when they're wrong? It's not because they're smarter. It's because they know how to use psychology against you. And once you learn these methods, you'll never walk away from a debate feeling powerless again. 1. The Judo Technique. Most people think winning an argument means fighting harder. Wrong. The real power comes from agreeing at first. Like a judoka, you use your opponent's own force against them. Let's say someone attacks your point. You nod, concede something small, then calmly drop. But there's one part I can't accept. That single move flips the energy. Suddenly, they're unprepared, their guard is down, and your point lands twice as hard. 2. The Socratic Trap. Instead of defending yourself, start asking questions. That's what Socrates did to expose contradictions. Imagine someone says, success is only about good grades. You don't argue, you ask. So you believe creativity and leadership don't matter? Every question makes them stumble deeper into their own contradictions until they realize the cracks in their logic. You didn't attack them, you made them question themselves. 3. The rule of 3. Here's a psychological cheat code. People trust patterns. 1 reason sounds weak. 2 feels like coincidence. But 3 creates certainty. Next time someone challenges you, don't give 1 reason, give 3. 3 examples, 3 objections, 3 solutions. It feels complete, undeniable, and almost impossible to argue with. Winning an argument isn't about shouting louder. It's about controlling the frame. Master these techniques, and people won't just listen to you. They'll follow you. And to make this happen, you have to also learn critical thinking, which you can learn by clicking on the video coming on your screen.